Organizations will always be competing between themselves, and eventually there will be a shortage in skills at the same time. So for this, we should focus on first sourcing, recruiting, and attracting the right talent. It's very important to know that it has to be the right talent, okay? Because sometimes we recruit people thinking that they are good for a job, and then it turns out they are not that good. And sometimes we recruit people thinking, actually they think that they are being recruited for a specific job, and it turns out they're doing something totally different. Next is building leaders and the leadership culture. Now this is very important because when you build leaders and when you have leaders on board, it's very hard for them to leave the company. They have more of a sense of belonging if they were rather mere employees working in the company. And finally, engaging and empowering our workforce. Now, globalization, mobility, and talent management are on top of the list of concerns for organizations. That is because we always worry as small and medium businesses, first about globalization and how we expect to actually compete against the giants in the business that are implementing themselves in the region or in the country, etc. Mobility, especially when it comes to talent, because now everybody is on the move, everything is happening on the move. And finally, talent management, because obviously we always want to recruit the best talent for any business, and we always worry that the talents that we are recruiting are not good enough, or that if they were good enough, they will eventually leave and go somewhere where they think is better for them. So all these areas can be strengthened by workforce planning.